Tired of giving out your number and hoping customers actually save it? There's a better way. I'm going to show you how to generate a direct WhatsApp chat link in Wati in just a few simple steps. First, navigate to the Settings menu in your Wati dashboard. It's usually located on the left-hand side. Inside the Settings, look for the API keys or WhatsApp links section. The name might vary slightly depending on your Wati plan. This is where the magic happens. You should see a prominent Generate Link button. Click it. Wati is doing all the work for you. A unique WhatsApp chat link will now be generated. You can also add a personalized message that will appear in the chat box when a customer clicks on the link. This prefilled message is a great way to guide the conversation and get the information you need right away. For example, I am inquiring about your pricing. Once you're happy with the link and message, click the copy button to copy the link to your clipboard. Now you can paste this link anywhere on your website, social media, email signature, making it incredibly easy for customers to reach you. And that's it. Now you can enjoy seamless conversations with your customers with a single click using Wati chat links.